We'll see about that, Martin.
Philip, what are you comparing?
Try it.
We're comparing how best to clean stainless steel. Armorall Original Protectant or stainless steel Weimann cleaner or Armorall?
What's your vote?
Armorall. Martin Reimer is Weimann stainless steel. We're going to do a test right now.
Stainless steel.
Hang on a second. I'm going to put a piece of tape down the middle on the stainless steel fridge.
Are you insane?
Hang on now, hang on. Hang on, let's try this again. Obviously, Scotch tape is better. That's that Weimann protectant.
That's that stainless steel stuff. Man.
Yeah.
It doesn't let anything stick to it.
No, it doesn't, does it? Alright, let's try this again.
That's funny.
Look at her. Imagine nose to nose over there.
Let's try it together, Martin. I've got Armorall Original. Martin, what do you have?
I've got Weimann stainless steel polish.
Let's see.
This is adulting at its finest.
Yeah.
See how less we used in the Armorall compared to the 10 minutes of squirts? God, what are you doing? This is a situation.
See, mine's an aerosol, streak free. All right, ready?
Streak free. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. Watch this. See the stroke difference, guys? You see the stroke difference?
The tape.
Oh, well, we get the point with the tape. Looks the same.
Well, I'm just happy I have men cleaning in my house.
Now, the ultimate test is the fingerprint.
The ultimate test is vacuuming the floor.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what kind.
How does that work?
And the laundry.
Okay. Yeah, you got a lot of streaks there, Martin.
Yeah.
Give it a
So do
second.
you.
You gonna
Yeah.
do it?
Yeah.
Hang on a second.
I see streaks on both sides.
Yeah.
Hang on a second. Is this being recorded?
Kind of like circular.
Martin's gonna drop that video.
It looks very similar.
Hang on a second. Oh, we got worse. It looks worse than mine.
Oh wait, that looks better.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay.
Buff it
Hang on.
out.
Had too much
Hang on. I need it.
moisture on it.
Oh, I think the Weimann's moving ahead.
Oh dang, that looks good.
Hang on.
Dad.
Come on, Philip.
Oh, the Weimann is
That-
winning.
that-
Look at that. The Weimann's.
Look at that. Come at this from this angle. and
Oh
see
my
it.
gosh.
Look at that.
Oh my.
Oh gosh.
Well,
Look at the difference.
Wow.
I think Weimann stainless steel won.
Wow.
Look at that. Show 'em.
Wow.
Try that one. That's good.
Armorall Original on stainless steel. This side. And the Weimann stainless steel cleaner.
Wow.
Now let's fix the Armorall now.
Feel how smooth that
That's
is.
great.
Here,
I gotta
this-
fix.
this
I
one's
gotta
got the
fix the
Weimann
mess.
on it.
I
This
gotta
one's
fix
got
the
the
mess
Weimann
I just did. Oh, that looks great.
Like $1,000,000.
Stainless steel bucks.
Now I'm just like with a wet hand on it.
No, it's supposed to stop that.
How big is it
It just has to be dry enough on it.
Oh, that looks a lot better. Armorall fails, Kat.
Who'd have thunk it? Oh,
On the refrigerator.
All right, no more Armorall. It's
Weimann.
Weimann all day.